Hello everyone, nice to see you again in today's video. Miraculous moments of escape, situations where God saved everyone in the most perfect way, all will be in today's video. All the videos below are for educational purposes only for safe driving and do not encourage violence. Please support our team by liking and subscribing to the channel so that our team can produce many good videos to serve you. Thank you very much. Let's get started right away. Whoa, out of nowhere, this big rig loses control and takes out everything in its path. Y'all, this is why you gotta keep your distance on the freeway. You never know what's coming at ya. Stopped car? Bad idea. Tanker crushes in seconds. Stay smart out there. Oh my God, the truck had a flat tire on the highway. It couldn't stand. Always check your tires before driving.
Reference to it.
What a stupid move. He paid for his actions. He was too fast to save himself.
Паркуемся тихонечко. Oh my goodness. लगा तो नहीं भाई साहब ठीक है आप आराम से टायर टूर फटे पर तेल छूट रहा है इसमें ड्राइवर तो नहीं अंदर
Too dangerous, must comply with labor safety in all situations. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Boom, the car was parked too close to the train tracks and a collision was inevitable. It's raining and the road is slippery and very dangerous. Fortunately, there were no collisions. The car entered the truck's blind spot. Always keep your distance from large trucks. Drowsy drivers almost cause dangerous accidents. Always stay alert to handle traffic.
Mira que te la va a pegar. ¡Dios! ¡Se la dio! ¡Al carajo, tío!
The truck slid downhill. Luckily, the two people behind were able to run in time. Oh no, it seems he was sleeping while driving. Luckily, there was no serious collision. Be careful when working. Luck will probably not come again. When you drive a supercar, know how to master the speed and control it well. Slowing down and stopping suddenly in the left lane can cause a serious and multi-vehicle accident. When you want to exploit the whole forest with only a small car, maybe you are too greedy. Control your speed and always check your brakes, otherwise it will cause serious consequences. What do you think he is doing down there with his car? He was careless when he didn't lower the box, and then, boom!